Good morning, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung basil flowers. So, this is the basil, guys. Ayan. So, ang bango-bango nito. At namulaklak na siya, guys. Ayan. Ito yung flowers ng basil. Ayan. So, ito siya. Almost dried na. But here, look at this one, guys. So, ito yung kukolektahin natin ngayon na seeds, basil seeds na ready for planting. Ayan na siya, guys. Pag ganito ang kulay niya, ganito na ang kulay niya, and then dark brown na. So, ready for harvest na, guys, yung seeds. Ayan siya, guys. Ang daming seeds na kukolektahin natin. Let's go! Natin yung seeds niya. Wait, out of the scissors. So let's get this one. Which one? Sana mas dry na dito. Lahat naman sila. Ito na siya, guys. Ito. Look at this. Ayan, nakakolect na tayo, guys. So, yan. So, tingnan natin dito. So, guys, ito na yung basil seeds na nakolekta natin. So, it's time to remove the seeds. So, ito pala yung, what do you call that? The basil flowers matured na siya, guys. Ayan. So as you can see here, yung itim, ito na yung mga seeds niya. Mahirap pala mangolekta ng ano, siguro ganyan lang. Ayan, lalabas na yung seeds niya. Ayan siya, guys. Just simply like this. Ayan, lumabas na yung seeds. Oh, madali lang pala tanggalin ang seeds. Ayan siya, guys. Madali lang pala tanggalin. So, meron na tayong seeds for the next seasons. Ayan, kasi magwi-winter na dito. Magwi-winter. So, sa summer ulit. So, madali lang pala, guys, mangolekta ng seeds ng basil. And then, tanggalin mo yung mga dried petals ng leaves. Sasalain natin, guys, isa-isa. Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan lang, guys, mangolekta ng seeds. I-squeeze mo lang. Squeeze. And then, I'll put it here. Ayan, guys. Lagay ko dito. And then, do like this. Yes. Lagay natin ulit dito. Hindi pa siya final, guys. Kasi ano pa natin yun dyan. So, ayan na siya, guys. Meron na tayong seeds. Yeah, seeds. And then, we will keep this one here in the plastic. plastic. We will keep the seeds here. And the ziplock. So, meron na tayong seeds. Ayan siya, guys. Basil. So, ito na siya, guys, yung basil. Ito na lang siya, guys. Ayan, basil. And fine. Ito, tapos ano pa natin yan. So, ito yung second batch. Lagay natin dito. Ayan. So, yan siya, guys. Marami-rami na din na kolekta natin na basil seeds. Yan, basil.